Okay guys, welcome back to another YouTube video where today we are gonna be, well, let me see. Okay, what are we doing today?
We're getting fish with a frog.
Okay. Okay, then show, come on. Where are you gonna throw it? No, not out there. Like, come here. Come on, you're not gonna get snagged because we don't have any weight. Catch them right around there, right on the shoreline. Right here, I see.
It's already sinking, Joanne.
Yeah, wait. Look, you're not ready. You have to. I don't want him to sink. He's live bait.
Froggy.
Okay, you need him to.
Let him get more line. Not gonna get up.
Yeah. Okay.